Alright friends, now we will learn about a very common method, trim. Which is trim. If there are spaces at the beginning or at the end of the string and you want to remove them, you can use trim method. As you see, I have spaces and I have spaces at the end. If you want to remove those extra spaces, we can use message.trim method. I come here, I say trim. I run it using Java main Java. You see, it removes the leading and trailing spaces. The result looks much cleaner. This method doesn't affect the spaces inside the string. Only it affects at the start and at the end. It's very useful method, especially when handling user input or cleaning up strings in your programs. See you in the next lesson.